Hello guys, so in this video I just want to introduce to you this website called Text on Image Generator. So the URL is textonimagegenerator.com. So the main purpose of this website is to for you to generate text on the image. So as you can see, most of the pages nowadays like Facebook page, Pinterest or Instagram page, they are doing this, for example, a daily motivation quote that they will be posting every day. For example, this website right here on Facebook, as you can see here, they've got for example, this one, an image, and then the text or the inspiring quote that they will add, and it gets lots of attractions over here. It gets a lot of reactions, and if you set up a page like this, so you will need a tool. For example, engaging image. So for example, this one is very simple, and then a beautiful quote within the image, on the image, and it will attract lots of reactions. And later on you will find many ways on how you monetize your Facebook page or Pinterest or Instagram, whichever. Okay, so for example, this one, again, a quote and a beautiful image at the background. And then this one here as well, the same thing. And then this one over here. And then what you can do here is this website called Text on Image Generator. So it will generate you a beautiful high quality image, and then you will be able to easily modify this text and configure the text how it will appear. For example, let's go to the textify.com, and let's generate a beautiful quote. For example, a composed blog paragraph, and let's say daily motivation for sadness, let's say. Okay, and then write paragraph. Okay, so once you have here, it's okay to be sad. You don't have to be happy all the time. So it's really good one-liner code that we can have. So just copy that, go to textonimagegenerator.com, and then modify this. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so what you can do here is let's say happy. You can generate image, or you can leave this blank if you just need to generate any random image. But if you have any particular image, you can put, let's say, happy. Let's do generate. Okay, this is a nice image. So what you can do here is maybe just format a little bit. So, here you can have shade, and then shade opacity. Then what you can do here is this text, bring it down. So I'll show you this one. Align that at the very bottom. So you see here, we are starting to create a beautiful image here that we can post on our social media. And then what you can do is image, let's make it brighter, so you can decrease the opacity of the actual image here. And then you can change the shade color. So for example, you want green, okay, like that, but black is more simple and elegant. And here, and let's change the font color, I mean the text size. So if you have just a short quote over here on the image, so you can make it bigger. All right, and then what you can do is center align that. All right, and then here you can choose font. Okay, Arial, let's keep Arial, and then let's increase the font size a little bit, and we have a high quality image behind. And you can have the text shadow as well if you need to. If you feel that the text is not visible enough, you can do that, but I think this is visible, so you can also change the text color whichever fits the background. So let's say yellow. Okay, this is fine as well, so we keep it white for this demo. Okay, now once everything is good on your part, so again you can change the shade to top, and then move the text position over there. Okay, you can also decrease the container so it will be like that. Okay, so for this example, let's keep it there. I think best position is at the bottom, the shade. You can also have no shade, and then just change the color of the font over here, let's say black. Okay, so it's better, it's nice as well without the shade. And then you can generate new image if you don't like this. So let's try this. I think for this one I'll put the text shadow of white so that it's more visible. So you see here, it's getting to be nicer, bold. Wow, look at that. Okay, and then reduce the font size maybe to 2.7. Okay, perfect. Now once you have that image, you have the option here to download it. So you will have the ability to save it on your computer instantly. Now let's check that. Let's open it, And there you have it. It's ready to get posted anywhere on your social media, any social media like Facebook or Pinterest, whichever you have. Okay, you can also create a beautiful set many images. You can download many different images here and then create your own slideshow. Let's say, for example, I have here, let's make this a slideshow. For example, these 3 sentences. So here, find things that make you happy and do them every day. Okay, so for example, the title of your slide is daily motivation for sadness. Let's do that now. So I'll change this, daily motivation for sadness. Okay, let's generate a new image. Okay, that's great. This looking great. And then let's have the shade over there so we can have the title. Okay, and make this text color white. Very easy to use. Daily motivation for sadness. So make the capital. Okay, let's make a presentation on this one. All right, and then the shadow here. Let's make it black. All right, looking great now. Let's decrease the shade size, and then let's move this one. So that's the title of our slide that we're going to do. Now download that image. Very easy. Just download it there. All right, we have our first slide. Then now the second slide. Let's come back here. So the first slide will be, let's say this one, these 2 sentences. Copy, and then go back to text on image generator, and then let's paste that. And of course, you have to adjust it and move it like in the middle. Now change it in the middle. Okay, maybe this time remove the shade, and then choose another image, generate. All right, this looks great. And then the text color, let's put black because I think that will fit. Okay, that's looking nice. And of course, the shadow, make it white. All right, looks brighter. Okay, that's our second slide. Download it, very easy. And then for our third slide will be this. Okay, copy that, go back here to the very nice tool that we have here, and then again generate image. Okay, this one looks happy, and what I want here is a shade, maybe there, and then increase the shade. Okay, and then what we can do is here decrease the text container so it will become, it will arrange, it will format it like horizontal like that. And of course the top position and text color will be white. Very nice. And then of course the text shadow, let's change it, make it nicer. Wow, really quick to do it this way. Download. Now we have our third slide. Now let's go to the download folder. Okay, now as you can see here, these are all the images that we have downloaded. So this is the first slide. Okay, and then the second slide, and then the third slide. Okay, so what I'll show you this one. So download this tool. It's a free video editor, VSDC video editor free edition, VSDC. So just search it on the Google. So it's a it's the tool that I'm using to create slideshow really quick. So what you can do here is just click this, create slideshow. Let's say sample slide, and click on finish. And what you can do here is drag all those images that you have generated here. So let's do that. So let's drag these 3 images that we have, drag them. Once it's there, get that, we have that. Okay, now make like each of them to run 5 seconds. That's fine. So you let's say you have a just 20 seconds video slideshow. Okay, so do 7 each. Change this duration to 7 each. Now here you have the transition. You have the transition effect. Okay, so what you do to do the transition is select this and add the transition that you wanted. Okay, for example this one, and then click add effect. All right, now you have here. Okay, very nice. Apply settings. Okay, now it's done. That's it. That's simple. Okay, when you play it, so see here, so it's, I think it's a bit longer, so we have to adjust. Okay, so see how it transition. So imagine you have a beautiful even blog post or article that you want to translate into a beautiful slideshow, you can use this website. Text and image generator. You don't have to do very complex slideshow, so just use this tool. And then at the same time, when you want to consolidate all those images, use this VSDC. Very nice combination, very easy, high quality images that you can have. You don't need to complicate things as long as you have a nice content, and at the same time you can do this. So here, as you can see, it's not that good quality, but lots of engagement. But if you have this, like, you can generate things like nature. Okay, so look at that, very nice. And then you can change the shade color, for example, maybe green, just to blend. Look at that, very nice. See, very nice looking. And then decrease the shade capacity, shade opacity, and you will be able to create a beautiful image that you can use anywhere, slides or any uh, uh, image post on your Facebook page or Instagram page. You can do that. So yeah, that's it. So here, what's lacking is you can have a background music that you can always download for free. If you have a YouTube channel, there is an audio library where you can get all free audio that you can use as background music. So those things. Okay, so in this technique, you will be able to grow your like social media platforms or YouTube channels, which I will be doing more videos about this, on some tips on how you can grow your YouTube channels using this very nice tool. Okay, so that's it for now. So just use this tool if you need this kind of, strategy to grow your social media Facebook page or anything, or make a slideshow. Okay, I'll be leaving the link on the description below. Thanks.